charge you 35. I've got 07.
Niveau cher, ça n'a pas fleur. Moi, je suis 50. Dervin asombeli nani? Asombela nga euro. Pesa nga mbongo na nga osombela nga. Ala sombeli kamadi. Hey, kamadi yo. Asombeli kamadi. Best friends. Asombeli best friends. Asombela nga fleur à euro. Maintenant on fait le prix à 3 sacs il y a l'osso. Si vous payez 5. Quoi, 40. How much the big one?
250.
250. 250.
Yeah. That's the most expensive one we've got.
This one.
Yeah.
The small one, this
one is £79 now. It's normally 99.
Normally 99.
Yeah, £20 discount.
Okay, this is normally
It's 49. I'll do it 35 for you.
49.
49 original down to 35.
Like 50. For Black Friday, 35. Musama, quoi le coûter? Et on a vu Simbo, on a gagné 50 livres. Parce que c'est combien? 35 livres. Et ça, combien de dollars? Combien de stacks à sima la carte? Quoi le coûter? Let me go blue.
Very young. I know, that's what everyone says.
Huh?
So you look very young.
I look very young. I know. People don't believe that I'm his mom. I am.
Wow.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah.
If it's a gift, I'll give you a message card for free. You can write a nice message, no?
You go blue.
I give you a pen. No, it's fine.
You can take it right home.
Should I give you empty?
Yeah, you can take it right home.
I'll take it.
I'll help you to close. Oh yeah, you can put it there, yeah. This is nice blue as well. My shopping. Bye.